Prototyp Week is a week where we gather all of our colleagues, no matter which office they usually work at, for a weekly hackathon.
The best part with the Prototyp Week for me is to sort of shake things up a bit. It's like we know how we work in our regular projects, but it's really good to sort of get out of them and start doing something else for a while. Our team, this Prototyp Week, is trying to solve playing sounds in all our offices at the same time.
We came up with this idea during last weekend when we had an ideation 2-day workshops, and we ended up thinking about our Sonos speakers and how we could use them. The final product we ended up having is a Slack bot, Prototyp sound service. You get to choose if you want to create a message using text-to-speech or if you want to use an already created sound effect to send to our Sonos speakers. One way to develop this idea further is to connect it to our elevator bot to let everyone know when the office is open and closed.
In the beginning, there were more proof of concept, so people were doing stuff on their own. But the last couple of days, we have been working very much together to push this forward.
Me personally have learned that we can really create something from idea to finished product in only 1 week. And by looking at problems in different and new ways, you can learn quite a lot.
The Prototyp Week is really important to keep everybody together and sort of perpetuate the culture so that you sort of realize what is possible in a week when you sort of focus on it. You lose sight of that when you're doing these large projects that we do on the side.